Squarespace versus Wix. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I am going to show you a comparison between Wix.com and Squarespace.com. We'll figure out that what are different features we get to create our websites on Squarespace and on Wix.com, how these platforms actually offer you different features and tools to help you create your website. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is simply open up these platforms. These platforms are actually very easy to get started with. So before we get into the platforms and I show you around, let's check out the pricing for both of these real quick so you have an idea about the pricing plans of these platforms. Let's check out the pricing plan for Wix.com. So when we talk about the pricing of Wix.com, so you will find these pricing plan right here. So the first one is Connect Domain, which is like the most basic one, and it is going to be $4 per month. And then we have Combo, which is $8 per month, and then we have Unlimited, which is $12 per month, and then we have VIP, which is $24 per month. So the pricing plan for Wix is actually pretty reasonable, and we get a lot of different features in each of these plans. You can simply go ahead and check them out right now, and you can get started with any of these plans. So after that, let's check out the pricing for Squarespace. So this is the pricing for Squarespace. The personal plan is going to be $12 per month. Then we have a business plan, which is $18 per month, and then we have a commerce plan, which is $26, and then we have advanced plan, which is going to be $40 per month. So this is like the basic plan is $18, which is like the most popular one, and on Wix the most popular one is $12 and the highest one is $24, and here the highest one is $40. So when we talk about the pricing, Wix is actually cheaper than Squarespace, and you can also check out their features right here, and you can simply sign up for any of the plan. The sign up process for Wix.com and for Squarespace is really easy. All you have to do is just sign up with your email address, or you can simply sign up with your Google account. Now let's check out these platforms. So up first we have Wix.com. After the initial sign up, you can simply create your own site. If you already have created different sites, you will be able to check them out right here on my sites. To create a new site, you simply click on create new site and it takes you to the editor of your Wix.com. So on Wix we actually have two editors. The first one is the Wix, and then there is Editor X. Editor X is the more advanced editor we are getting on Wix, and this Wix is actually the classic Wix editor that we get. So it depends on you that which one of these you are more comfortable with, or which one of these you want to use. So if you want to create more professional websites, like for example this website right here, this one was created on Editor X. You can see right here the website I created. This one was created on Editor X, and these are created on classic Wix. So Editor X has like more advanced features, but basic things are actually the same and the way they work. So I'm gonna go with a classic Wix because sometimes maybe Editor X will not be available, so it's fine. You can simply go with a classic Wix. Now I can simply go ahead and start from the scratch, or I can edit a template. So this is the template gallery you are going to get on Wix. We know that when it comes to creating websites, a template gallery really is one of the significant feature of any of the platform. So on Wix, we actually have a lot of different templates to choose from. It depends on what kind of website you want to create, and we have different categories to go for, and you will actually find different templates in those categories. For example, you can go for business, you can create an online store, and then in online store you will get all of these different categories to choose from. Then we have creative option, then we have community, and then we have a blog where you can create your own personal blog with Wix. So what you have to do is you simply select any of the templates from here, and then you can simply go ahead and start creating your site on Wix. So I'm gonna go ahead and select from any of these templates. Let's go with this one. This is like a personal blog, so I will simply click on edit, and then I will be driven to the editor where I will be able to create my own site. So this is the inside of a Wix editor. This is how we create our websites on Wix. So this is the template that I chose, right? So now I can go ahead and create a very professional website with Wix. We get all of these different options. When we simply click on add, it allows us to add different elements onto our website. So we get strips. Strip simply means, adding a section. Then we have text, image, button, gallery. Then we have box, list, music, videos, everything, social, blog store, booking, event, and members. You can also go ahead and add your videos. You can add your gallery, whatever you want to add to your Wix website. So adding is very simple. You simply click on any of these. Let's just say that I want to add text, so I will simply click on text, and after that I can just go ahead and add the text. Simply click right here on the text, it will be added to your website, and then you can simply drag it and drop it wherever you want to. It's very customizable. Wix editor is very easy to use. I have personally created many sites with Wix. It's really easy to work with. You can drag and drop anything, and you can simply edit any of the sections you want to. You can drag any of the text you want to. You can edit the designs. You can select the site theme. We also get media, where we upload our images and videos to kind of like add to our website. So after that, you can just go ahead and add pages. To add a page, you will simply click on page and menu, where you will be able to find all of your pages. To add a new page, simply click on add page and it will be added. So that is how it works. So once you have created your website on Wix, you simply publish it, or you can preview your website. So that is how Wix basically works. This is how we add different sections to our Wix website. And now let's check out squarespace.com, and let me show you how we create a website. So what you have to do is you will simply click on create website, and after that Squarespace will allow you to create your own website. So this is the template that I chose on Squarespace, and this is how I can simply go ahead and create my website. You know how the editor of Squarespace works. So we get the option of pages, design, commerce, marketing, scheduling, analytics, profile, and settings. Right here in pages, I will be able to check all the pages that I have created. If I want to create a new page, I can simply create from here. If I want to delete a page, I can simply go ahead and delete from here. If I want to do other settings, I can do that. And the page you are working on will be shown right here. And if you want to add different sections onto your website, how we do that on Squarespace is super easy. You will see this option of edit right here. When we click on edit, then Squarespace allows us to edit the template that you have selected. Now again, selecting a template is really easy to kind of like work with, but if you want to start from the scratch, you can go ahead and do that as well. So right here, let's just say I want to edit the header right here. So you will see the option of edit site header. Simply click right here, and then you will be able to edit the site logo, the elements, the style, and fixed position as well. Similarly, if I want to edit this section right here, I can go ahead and do that. If I want to add a section, simply click on add section, and then we have all of these different options to choose from. So in sections, we actually get headlines, list, gallery, quote, text, video, contact, donation form, newsletter, products, calendar, chart. Everything will be shown right here. And after that, you can just simply, choose from here. And it is according to the template we select. So what happens is, like for example, if I want to add a text, right? So you will get the text options right here according to this template. That will actually look pretty good. So I can go with any of these. Let's go with this text right here. Simply click on this text and it will be added to your website right here. This is the new section that I added. Now if I want to change the background of any section, I can do that as well with this option of background. If I want to delete a section, I can do that as well. So you simply added your site, any site you are creating, you will edit the text. You can add different sections, and this is how the Squarespace editor works. So you simply click on done and save, and if you want to publish your site, you can go ahead and do that as well. So yeah guys, this is how the editor of Squarespace Works, and I also showed you the editor of Wix.com. So this was the insight both of these platforms. I also showed you their pricing. So this brings us to the end of the video. I hope that I was a big help to you. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up and subscribe to the YouTube channel.